In this video, you'll learn how to build a lead generation workflow using n8n. This process will guide you through creating an automated system that can help streamline your lead generation efforts. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform, open your web browser, and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, look for the Workflows section in the main menu. This is typically located on the left side of the screen, allowing you to easily access your existing workflows or create new ones. Next, you will need to click on the highlighted area that indicates where to create a new workflow. This option may be visually distinct, often marked with a plus icon or a new label. After selecting this, you should see a prompt or a new screen that allows you to proceed with the workflow creation. After that, click on the workflow option to initiate the workflow building process. This step is critical as it sets the environment for your lead generation workflow. A new interface will appear, presenting you with options to customize your workflow according to your needs. Following this, click on the Create button, which is usually prominently displayed on the screen. This will allow you to begin defining the specifics of your lead generation workflow. Ensure you take a moment to review the available options, as they can significantly affect how your workflow operates. Then select the personal option to tailor the workflow to your specific requirements. This selection typically leads you to a more personalized setup screen where you can adjust various settings related to the workflow. Now look for the Build with AI button and click on it. This feature leverages artificial intelligence to assist in creating your workflow. Once selected, you should see a loading indicator or a message confirming that the AI is preparing to assist you. Next, click on the Build button to continue with the process. This action will guide you further into the workflow construction phase. You may notice a loading screen or a message indicating that the system is processing your request. At this point, type in Build a lead generation workflow in the designated text box. This title will help identify your workflow later. After entering the text, look for a confirmation message or visual change indicating that your input has been accepted. Once you have typed the title, click on the Enter key to submit it. The system should respond with a message or visual feedback confirming that your workflow title has been recorded successfully. You will then see a message stating thinking, suggesting that the system is processing your request. This confirmation indicates that the AI is working on generating a suitable workflow for lead generation. Shortly thereafter, a message will appear stating, "I'll help you build a lead generation workflow. Let me start by gathering information about the available nodes and patterns." This indicates that the system is preparing to provide you with tools necessary for your workflow. Following this, you will see a message indicating that the system is getting suggested nodes. This step is essential as it gathers the components you will use in your workflow. Next, a message stating searching nodes will appear on your screen. This indicates that the system is actively looking for the relevant nodes that can be integrated into your workflow. After this, the system will display a message saying, "Getting node definitions." This means it is compiling the details of the nodes available for your workflow. You will then need to wait for the system to generate the nodes. This can take some time, depending on the complexity of the workflow and your internet connection speed. Be patient during this phase as the system works to provide you with the necessary tools. Finally, a message will appear stating, "This might take a while." This indicates that the system is still in the process of generating your lead generation workflow. Please remain patient as this final step concludes. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.